I prefer hot coffee. I prefer hot coffee. She drink green tea. She drink green tea. They eat healthy food. They eat healthy food. We walk every evening. We walk every evening. You drive carefully. You drive carefully. This is my decision. This is my decision. That is not correct. That is not correct. I believe in honestly. I believe in honestly. She respects everyone. She respects everyone. He listens carefully. He listens carefully. They follow instructions. They follow instructions. We agree with you. We agree with you. You understand well. You understand well. This is my goal. This is my goal. That makes sense. That makes sense. I am learning English. I am learning English. She is very smart. She is very smart. She lives near me. She lives near me. He travels a lot. He travels a lot. They are good people. They are good people. We need more time. We need more time. You speak clearly. You speak clearly. This is my seat. This is my seat. You are very helpful. You are very helpful. It's too noisy here. It's too noisy here. This looks amazing. This looks amazing. We are best friends. We are best friends. I love this place. I love this place. They are very funny. They are very funny. Let's visit tomorrow. Let's visit tomorrow. He is my friend. He is my friend. I work every day. I work every day. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. It feels comfortable. It feels comfortable. I enjoy long walks. I enjoy long walks. She speaks politely. She speaks politely. He cooks delicious food. He cooks delicious food. They like new ideas. They like new ideas. We meet on weekends. We meet on weekends. You are on time. You are on time. This is important. This is important. That was a mistake. That was a mistake. It is going late. It is going late. I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better. She is working now. She is working now. He is resting today. He is resting today. They are learning fast. They are learning fast. We are planning something. We are planning something. You look confident. You look confident. This room is clean. This room is clean. That shop is open. That shop is open. It is very bright. It is very bright. I need some help. I need some help. She needs more practice. She needs more practice.